Hey guys, it's Aubrey. Today we will be testing out all of my 5 slimes. So this is the galaxy slime I've been telling you about. It's jiggly slime and it really jiggles. Like it jiggles as much as you want it to. It really jiggles. It really holds on to you. So yeah, we're going to jiggle it a little. We're going to click on it. This is that one, and yeah. So yeah. Let's go on to our next slime. That next slime will be the blue one. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's nothing else in there. I usually burp out school a lot. My name is Aubrey Cleese Elisha. But you guys don't know how to spell LA. Cleese. Well, you guys might know how to spell Cleese, but it's only not LA. Like that feeling. I wish I did this on like camera, not like on YouTube record. Because YouTube record is the worst. You can't even pause yourself. Okay, now we're doing the little one. Oh, the blue one is the deep blue sea. Deep blue sea, we call it deep blue sea. You just guys have to twist it. Oh, and this is, we call it apple pie. I call it apple pie. Apple pie is hello now. Which one do you like more? Deep blue sea, galaxy. I will show you guys here in the last. So yeah. I don't really talk like this. I really talk like this. So I'm going to use this voice. Sometimes I don't want to use that voice, because that can sound sweet. But I think this voice is better, because I want to be myself. And this one is like, it was like goopy and like droopy, like all on my hands. But no. And this is apple pie. Pink is apple pie. Blue is deep blue sea. And the purple one is galaxy slime. I call this one mixin'. Oh, and this is like regular slime. This is regular slime. And the rest is just regular slime. This is mixin' because I mix galaxy slime. Well, you haven't met my other slime that's big. So yeah, I will show you. So this one should have been last. Sorry guys. Can't tell you the name, which I already did. You guys probably forgot, so yeah. This one. I call it, Sparkle. I almost said gravy. I mean sparkle. It's still kind of wet. Oh my gosh. Sparkle is a very good girl. Oh my gosh, it ripped. I hate when slime rips. Hate is like a strong word, so let's don't like. So yeah. You can't like people, but you cannot hate people. You can not like them. Oh my gosh. This is why I call it Sparkle. I should call it Crazy Sparkle. Yeah, Crazy Sparkle. Crazy Sparkle would do. Because, like, it has, like, color rainbow foam bees in it. Jewels and Fibetti. So, yeah. Like the small Fibetti. Yeah. It's a very good slime. I love this slime. I'm gonna show you guys something. You guys are going to be interesting. Okay, guys. This was stuck to the top 24/7, and look what it made. It really made this. Like, this is from the purple one. It was like stuck to the top. So yeah, and then it came out. This one's the pink one. You can tell because like it's like a little bit pinker, and then it came from the top too. It was dried out, and now I can use this for my hair. Thank you. Thank you, slimes. I love these. I will wear these all day until my class. And then I'm like, what? They might not even believe me. So, I should. Oh, and this is mixing. Hold up, sorry. This is mixing. It was like mixed with this one. It was mixed into, actually, I'm not sure if I want to still be mixing. It might still be mixies on. Or like, it might be like, named like, larva. Let's just call it mixin. I named it mixin. So it was mixed with happy pie. Apple pie, deep blue sea, a galaxy, and rainbow sparkle. So yeah, that was mixed with all that. So yeah. And I really like this one because it's very small. Like, you can take it into a car, something where you can hide it. We're not supposed to have slime out. You can like sneak it into class. But I would rather sneak like the purple one into class. Because people would be like, oh, can I like that? Yes. No, yes. This has been like for how many minutes? 8 minutes already? In 5 seconds? What? I'm a long YouTuber, so yeah. I'm sorry guys. One time I did a video for an hour, and I did not send it on YouTube because they must be like, oh, she talked too much. Ugh. Yeah, right now is, what time is it? We're going to Florida today. Because today is the 28th, 2018, July 28th. Oh my God. I'm going to scream my tears out in Florida today. It's the 28th today. We're going to Florida. Oh my God. I want to cry. Oh my gosh. I want to bring all these slimes. Whenever my cousin asks me and my cousin is going together, and whenever my cousin asks me, I'd be like, play with Mixin, play with the little one. I'd be like, no, okay, you cannot play with the bigger ones. Not with me, big girls. If he tries to mess with this big girl will tell, alert, alert, alert. He can like only play with Deep Blue Sea or Mixin. Nothing else. Cause I don't really care about Deep Blue Sea, really. But he cannot have it. He can have Mixin though. I'm kidding. He cannot have nothing. He can't even have these bracelets, hair thingies, whatever you guys want to call it. He came behind my dog, Alina. Lena, come here, baby. Lena, just come here for once. Okay, guys, my dog is lazy. I don't know if you guys can really see her. Like, I don't know if you guys can see her. Lena, come here, baby. Lena, come on. Come here. Look at that. Look at this beautiful dog. Give me a kiss. Oh, my beautiful girl. Say hi. Woof, woof, ha, woof. It's a girl. Her name is Elena. Oh, you did that little flippy thing. Yes, you did. Who cheats you? Me cheat you. Bye, guys. I'm going to give weapons to my dog. Even underneath the table. It's going to get freaky. I'm kidding, guys. Bye.